Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get server tag on Discord. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! In the vibrant world of Discord, where communities flourish and friendship blossom, server tags play a crucial role in connecting users to their favorite spaces. If you ever wondered how to get your hand on a server tag for your own community or perhaps just to explore new ones, you're not alone. So in this video, we'll show you how to get the server tags on your Discord. How to do it is very simple. As you can see in here on my profile, I have the server tag. So how to get this? It's very simple. If you want to get the server tags on your Discord profile, you need to join the server that you want to claim the tags. For example, I have joined to fish it and I want to use tag from this server. How to do it? It's very simple. You can just go to your profile, you can open your profile, you can edit profile. From your main profile settings, you can just scroll down and here until you find there is an option server tag. So my current server tag is from Salvatore community and I want to change it to fish it. So here I have joined 3 servers on my Discord that have tags, and I want to use the tags like this. So now don't forget to save change. So now I'm using the fish at server tag, this fish on my Discord profile. So anyone who visit my profile, they can see the server tag beside my name. It's very simple, right? So that is how to get the server tags on your Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!